4 millennia, humanity gazed at the moon, a distant, enigmatic beacon in the night sky. This celestial neighbor sparked dreams of exploration, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. The mid-20th century ignited a fierce space race, a global competition to conquer the cosmos. Nations poured resources into reaching the ultimate prize, a human footprint on the lunar surface. This is the story of Apollo 11, the mission that turned an ancient dream into a tangible reality. On July 16, 1969, the world held its breath as the mighty Saturn V rocket stood poised for launch, towering over 360 feet. It was the most powerful machine ever built, a symbol of human ingenuity. Inside, astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins prepared for their historic journey. With a thunderous roar, the engines ignited, shaking the ground and piercing the morning sky. Slowly, majestically, the colossal rocket ascended, carrying the hopes of a nation towards the stars. From mission control, engineers watched intently, their faces a mix of tension and anticipation. The power and precision of the launch were awe-inspiring, a testament to human engineering. As the rocket gained altitude, the Earth began to curve, a breathtaking view from above. The journey to the moon was long and arduous, a 3-day voyage through the vast cosmic ocean. Inside the cramped capsule, the astronauts lived in isolation, their lives dependent on complex systems. They meticulously monitored their spacecraft, ensuring every system functioned perfectly for the mission ahead. As they neared their destination, the moon grew larger, its cratered surface becoming increasingly visible. The technical challenges were immense, requiring constant vigilance and precise maneuvers. Finally, Apollo 11 entered lunar orbit, circling our ancient companion, preparing for the next phase. From this vantage point, the moon's desolate beauty was stark, a silent, alien world awaiting visitors. It was time for the lunar module, Eagle, to separate from the command module, Columbia. Michael Collins remained aboard Columbia, orbiting alone, a solitary sentinel above the lunar surface. Armstrong and Aldrin began their descent, guiding Eagle towards the Sea of Tranquility. The final moments of descent were fraught with tension as alarms blared inside the cockpit. A computer overload threatened the mission, but quick thinking from mission control averted disaster. Armstrong took manual control, skillfully navigating past a boulder-strewn crater. Fuel levels dwindled, adding to the immense pressure on the two astronauts. Finally, with only seconds of fuel remaining, Eagle touched down gently on the lunar surface. Armstrong's voice crackled through the radio. "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." After hours of preparation, the hatch opened, revealing the desolate, magnificent lunar landscape. Neil Armstrong carefully descended the ladder, his bulky suit a stark contrast against the gray moon. With his left foot, he made history, uttering words that would echo through eternity. "That's one small step for men, one giant leap for mankind." Millions watched, captivated, as humanity took its first steps on another celestial body. Soon, Buzz Aldrin joined him, and together they planted the American flag, a symbol of achievement. The awe of being on another world was palpable, a moment of profound historical significance. They collected precious lunar samples, rocks and dust that held secrets of the moon's formation. Experiments were deployed, measuring solar, wind, and seismic activity, expanding our scientific knowledge. The lunar landscape was alien, yet beautiful, a testament to the universe's diverse wonders. After more than 2 hours on the surface, it was time for the Eagle to ascend and return. A successful rendezvous with Columbia and Michael Collins marked the beginning of their journey home. 3 days later, the command module splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean. The USS Hornet recovered the crew, bringing them back to a world forever changed by their triumph. Apollo 11's legacy endures, a beacon of human potential and scientific achievement. It inspired generations to look up, to dream bigger, and to reach for the impossible. The moon landing proved that with courage and innovation, humanity can achieve anything. The spirit of Apollo 11 continues to drive us towards new frontiers beyond our world.